Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with ATB Financial Review My Usage Experience. ATB Financial Review My Usage Experience offers a way to track and analyze your financial activity with ATB Financial. It's primarily aimed at ATB Financial customers who want a more detailed look at their spending habits, investments, and overall financial health. Key features likely include account summaries, transaction history, and potentially budgeting tools. Their website provides details on the specific functionalities. Their website highlights the ease of access to your financial data, emphasizing the secure and user-friendly interface. They claim pricing transparency, implying no hidden fees associated with using the review tool. The service is available to all ATB Financial online banking customers. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using ATB Financial Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply logged into my existing ATB Financial online banking account and the review tool was easily accessible from the main dashboard. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly found my account summary, which provided a clear overview of my balances. I spent some time exploring the transaction history. Being able to easily filter by date and category was incredibly helpful in tracking my spending. I even used the downloadable reports to track my investment performance over the past year, a feature I found particularly useful. The performance was consistently reliable, the data loaded quickly and accurately. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific graph, and their support responded within 2 days via email, providing a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how easy it was to export data into a spreadsheet for further analysis. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I found myself needing to use my laptop to access it. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with ATB Financial Review My Usage Experience. It provides a comprehensive overview of my finances and helps me stay on top of my spending and investments. It's a valuable tool for anyone wanting to gain a deeper understanding of their financial picture. That's my overview of ATB Financial Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.